Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and dark mode, adjust wallpaper to dark mode and adjust text and backgrounds automatically. Also we can schedule dark mode. Next, we can manually change brightness level, enable or disable automatic brightness, and sunlight mode. Then, we can enable or disable reading mode, schedule it, and adjust it. Then, we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated, and standard, or manual. Then we can change text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, enable or disable auto rotate screen, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.